Imagine this. Two people. Same age, same income, same starting point. At 40, they look identical. But fast forward 15 years, and everything changes. One of them is free. No alarm, no pressure, no stress about money. The other, still working, still calculating, still waiting for a future that never came. So what happened? Not luck, not talent, decisions. Because your 40s are the most powerful financial decade of your life. It's the only time when you have both time and money. And that combination is rare, but most people miss it because of one silent problem: lifestyle inflation. As income grows, so do expenses. Better car, bigger house, higher expectations, and it feels like progress. But in reality, nothing is changing. You're just running faster to stay in the same place. That's where the paths split. One person keeps asking, "How much do I make?" The other asks, "How much do I keep? And what does it do for me?" That question changes everything. Because income is temporary, assets are permanent. Every dollar invested becomes something that works for you, quietly, consistently, over time. This is where compounding takes over. Small decisions, repeated for years, turn into something powerful. But only if you start early enough. Wait too long, and the cost isn't visible immediately. But it's massive. The difference between starting now and later can cost you years of freedom. Then comes clarity, a target, a number. Because without a goal, you drift. With one, you move with purpose, and every decision becomes easier. Spend or build, now or later, comfort or freedom. That's the real trade. And most people don't fail because they're careless. They fail because they never choose. So here's the truth. Your future isn't decided in one big moment. It's built in small ones, quiet choices, repeated over time. And one day, those choices become your life. So the question isn't which path you've been on. The question is, which one you choose, starting today. Financial freedom isn't motivation, it's structure. If you're ready to see how the system truly works, follow for real strategy.